In my first assumption of office of Dawin, there was already a serious damage in our corals due to commercial fishing, destructive commercial fishing activities. Now, this picture challenged my leadership, I should say. Apo Island also experienced the same. And when we organized the Fishermen's Association in Apo Island, it was a successful one. So I replicated the same in the near shore. I was able to lead my people in the mainland by organizing them into a Fishermen's Association. First, they resist, but I also insist the law. I even apprehend these fishermen who try to enter into the marine sanctuaries. Then I have been proven right because more fishes has increased outside the marine sanctuaries. Some of the fishermen had even reported to me that their fish catch for the whole day fishing ranges from 5 to 10 kilos.
The Verde Island Passage covers something like 1.14 million hectares. It runs from Marinduque, Romblon upward, passing through the channel of Mindoro, Batangas, and ends up at Lubang Island. There's already an association of all those municipalities covered by the island passage. And we are doing a lot of activity and coordination as well. But on our part, as far as Lubang Island is concerned, the two municipalities covering Lubang Island are very much well coordinated. In fact, we act as one. We have a joint ordinance, we have a joint MPA plan. So this is our focus, law enforcement. And in law enforcement, we have a very simple formula. We implement the law without exception. No exception, whether you are rich, you are poor. Now we have tuna in Lubang Island, proven by our fishermen catching a lot of tuna in Lubang waters. But this is something very difficult to do. You do not just need political will. More than political will. You need guts to do it. Because your political career can be sacrificed because of it. But if you are determined, people knows. And they know how to judge you. They will realize that what you are doing is really good for them.